Hello guys, sanibonani. Welcome again. Today we are recapping on next week on Uthando Nesthembu guys. Yo, ngay. We can see lana ukubana uMusa ubusy ucelela umpumelelo ukubana hayi he must slow down with his disrespect of omama bakhe. Yey sisathi siyakubona lokho, sibona uMacele noMayeni. Yo guysini, i-cat fight hot kangaka, i-cat fight hot evutha amalanga. Bathi mabasathi bayakhuluma lapho, you can see uMacele walking away. After she walked away, she turned back guysini. She turned back washo wathi weMuntuza ungangiciki, wathi ungangiciki, like don't annoy me. uMacele wathi girl, don't annoy me. If you see someone pointing at you the way uMacele was pointing at uMayeni, uMusa Mseleku had to stand in between them ukubana hayi kahle kahle kwenzakalani. She continued uMacele axelela uMayeni ukubana ungangiciki, like don't dare me, don't annoy me, cause wow. Uyasho naye uMayeni athi hey wena Mato, don't take your frustration out of abantu. When you are frustrated, wena you always find that weak link yokubana you take out your frustration kuye. Umseleku naye uyasho ukubana hayi he expects all his wives to bring peace. If they cannot do that, then hayi ke kusho ukuthi ibile naye ke nakasazi khathele nje nkosi yami u-58 wabantu, like ukhathele uMseleku, he just turned 50 nkosi yami. Akakhoni nje nokushaywa umoya, hapha umpumelelo, hapha uMangwabe, ngapha uMuntuza, ngapha uMacele, like it's a lot. Like no wonder uMseleku nje into encane nkosi yami uzovese akhale, cause hayi this must be emotionally damaging man. I know kubana yes uyikhethele ukubana abe nesithembu and have kids and having to deal with all of this, and on top of that naye nkosi yami uMusa waye edu number 5. Mangwabe she's standing there laughing ari hey diyabuya. Hi guys, let me know what do you guys think. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.